Hello friends, welcome back to Prajwalita's kitchen. Today we are going to make a very yummy paneer cheese pocket which is crispy from outside and cheesy from inside. So let's start. Take 1 cup of grated paneer, 1 cup of grated cheese, 1 tablespoon of sweet corn, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients well and our filling for the pocket is ready. Now it's time to make a dough. Take 1 cup of Maida, you can use wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of Samolina, that is rava, half teaspoon of crushed black pepper, salt to taste, followed by 2 tablespoons of oil. Add water, mix it well to make a soft dough. Now our dough is ready. Now take 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of water to make a smooth paste which will be used while sealing the edges and keep aside. Now take 1 roundel from the dough, roll it to form a thin sheet as shown in the video. Cut the edges, giving it a square shape. Now cut the square into equal size of rectangular sheet. Now take 2 sheets, place it giving a plus sign. Add 2 teaspoons of paneer cheese filling at the center. Now apply the corn flour paste at the edges and make the pocket as shown in the video. Make sure the edges are sealed. If not, you can apply the corn flour paste to make it close. And our pockets are ready to fry. For that, heat the oil on a medium flame. When heated, add a paneer cheese pocket. Fry till it gets golden brown from both the sides. And take it out in a serving plate. Our paneer cheese pocket are ready to serve. Serve it hot. Kids will love this cheesy pocket. So give this recipe a try at home and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!